Goldmin Token Official Android App Launch Announcement. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another official update from the Goldmin Token ecosystem. Today we have some exciting news to share with our amazing community. First of all, we would like to sincerely thank each and every one of you for your trust, patience, and continuous support. Your encouragement has motivated our team to work harder every single day. We are happy to announce that the official Goldmin Token, also known as GMTK, Android application has reached its final stage of development. For the past several weeks, our development team has been working on improving the application, fixing bugs, optimizing performance, and making sure that everything runs smoothly before the public release. At this moment, the app is going through final testing and security verification. Our goal is simple. We don't just want to launch an application quickly. We want to launch an application that is stable, secure, user-friendly, and ready for everyone. This is an important milestone for the Goldmin Token ecosystem. The Android application will become the official gateway for our community to access future updates, announcements, and upcoming features. Our focus has always been on building a professional ecosystem that users can trust. Quality is more important than speed. That is why we have spent extra time testing every feature before making the app available to the public. If everything continues according to our schedule, inshallah, the official Android application will be released on the first date of the upcoming month. If a small amount of additional testing is required, the launch may be delayed by only a few more days to ensure the best possible experience for every user. As soon as the application becomes available, the official download link will be published on all of our verified social media platforms. Please make sure you only download the application using our official links. This helps protect our community from fake applications or unofficial websites. In the coming weeks, our community can also expect many more exciting updates. We are continuously working on expanding the Goldmin Token ecosystem step by step. Every new update is designed to improve the overall experience and create a stronger platform for our growing community. We would also like to remind everyone to stay connected with our official social media channels. Follow us on Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and X so you never miss an important announcement. If you are watching this video, now is the perfect time to invite your friends and family members to become part of the Goldmin Token community. The bigger our community becomes, the stronger our ecosystem will grow in the future. Your support, your feedback, and your participation mean everything to us. Together, we are building something exciting for the future. Finally, we would like to thank every supporter who has believed in this project from the very beginning. This launch is only the first step. Many more updates, features, and announcements are already being prepared. So stay connected, stay active, and get ready for the official launch of the Goldmin Token Android app. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your support. See you in the next official update. Until then, take care, stay safe, and have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.